So here's inside the cab. You can see the slots cut in the floorboard. We'll do a walk around here. So the next step is to fill in these slots in the floorboards. So I've got some sheet metal here marked out. I don't know if you can see those lines or not, but we're going to get ready to bend it now. Nice bend there. Now we'll have to do some test fitting. So this piece is a little long, so we'll have to trim it down a little bit. So as you can see, I've got the new piece of channel test fit in there with a couple clamps. It's not a perfect fit, but a little tweaking and pushing and pulling the metal and tacking it, it'll fit pretty good. And this piece back here is straight and parallel with the cab, but up here it has to be another piece because it's at a little bit of an angle. It goes inboard at the front there. So it'll at least be two pieces. Alright, let's put a few tacks on her. I've got the second front piece in. This one right here. I don't know if you can see down in here, but I had to cut this section out of the channel because this piece goes flat over the top and then bends down. Make a little step. So let's put some tacks on it. Box piece cut. Snakes down around. Like so. So I'm going to tack weld that in from the bottom. Weld the whole thing in, repeat it on the other side, and we'll have our piece. Okay, as you can see, I've got the passenger footwell channel all installed now, tacked in. Both sides are all tacked in now. So the next thing now is to weld it all in. When I weld this, I will weld short little welds. I'll start at one end and weld for maybe 2 inches, and then switch to maybe the middle or the front, weld 2 inches. Then go to the other side, weld 2 inches, 2 inches in the middle, 2 inches in the end. Just kind of stagger around so I don't put too much heat in it and warp the heck out of the new channels. Also, where the gaps are, I'll get underneath with a block of wood and wedge the legs of the channel that go down through the floor apart to take up most of the gap. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching my channel, and I'll see you next time.